Deep cleaning on MSI Katana 15 B13VGK laptop. Thank you, Sir Jan, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The MSI Katana 15 B13VGK laptop underwent a complete deep cleaning and preventive maintenance procedure to ensure optimal performance, effective cooling, and long-term system reliability. As a high-performance gaming laptop equipped with powerful components, it tends to accumulate dust and debris over time, especially around the cooling fans and heat sinks. This buildup can lead to overheating, thermal throttling, and reduced efficiency if not properly maintained. The process began with the careful disassembly of the laptop, ensuring all components, such as the CPU, GPU, cooling fans, and heat pipes were safely exposed. Using compressed air, soft brushes, and anti-static tools, all traces of dust and dirt were removed from the internal components and ventilation areas. The dual-fan cooling system received special attention, since it plays a critical role in maintaining stable temperatures during intensive gaming and multitasking sessions. Next, the old thermal paste on both the CPU and GPU was removed and replaced with a fresh layer of high-quality thermal compound. This greatly improves heat transfer between the processors and their cooling assemblies, reducing internal temperatures and preventing overheating. The keyboard, air vents, and casing were also cleaned to ensure proper airflow and a refreshed external appearance. After reassembly, the laptop underwent a series of thermal and performance tests to verify the effectiveness of the cleaning process. Results showed noticeable improvements in cooling efficiency, lower temperature readings, and quieter fan operation. The system now performs more smoothly, with enhanced stability even during heavy workloads or extended gaming sessions. In conclusion, the deep cleaning of the MSI Katana 15 B13VGK laptop successfully restored its cooling performance, stability, and operational efficiency. This maintenance procedure not only improves system reliability and longevity, but also ensured that the laptop continues to deliver high-speed, consistent performance for both gaming and professional use. Regular deep cleaning is highly recommended for maintaining optimal thermal performance and extending the lifespan of high-performance devices like this one. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.